How is your oral hygiene going? Do you floss, clean your teeth, and use a scraper? Watch to the end of this video and give me a thumbs up. Hello guys, my name is Maureen Obiofle. Welcome to my YouTube channel at Maureen OTV. On today's video, I'm going to talk about how to prevent mouth odor, how to prevent cavity. First, brush your teeth twice a day, morning and night. Not after brushing your teeth in the night time, you go and eat another thing before you go to sleep. No, when you finish brushing your teeth in the night time, please don't eat any. Before brushing your teeth, please make sure you floss. Flossing is very good. Okay, you remove the bacteria that hanging in between your teeth that will inflame your teeth. Okay, so floss before you brush your teeth. I will recommend flossing in the night time because you go to bed and sleep all through the night. So I will recommend you floss in the night, floss, brush your teeth before going to bed. Okay, second one is going to your dentist twice a year for cleaning. Okay, there are some things that we cannot clean very well in our teeth, but when you go to dentist, they clean your teeth very well. And if you have any concern, you're gonna catch it fast. Okay, so I wish I know these tips when we were small, then I wouldn't have removed one of my tooth. Another one is the sweetness of the food you eat. Okay, too much sugar can inflame in your teeth and cause a bacteria and infection on your teeth. Okay, the last one is scraping tongue. Use tongue scraper. Okay, use tongue scraper to scrape your tongue. Scrape your tongue very well. Start from in down outside. Scrape it real good, but don't do it front and back because it's gonna hurt your tongue. It's very important. Let me tell you guys one thing. Most of the people that have mouth odor, they don't scrape their tongue. If you don't scrape your tongue and you have mouth odor, it's gonna get worse. People that have oral thrush, like you see their tongue very whitish tongue, the tongue scraper help them too. So if you know someone that have oral thrush, you can help and tell them to scrape their mouth. It's gonna help them too, and doctor will prescribe something that will still help them. So the scraper is very important. I will demonstrate to you guys how you use the scraper. So this is how you use the scraper. You scrape it from inner down, but if you're the kind of person that do have a sensitive body, you can start scraping small, like from the tip. Let me see. You can start scraping small, like from the tip of your tongue. The next day you go inside, another day you go inside. The side effect of this scraper is gang reflux. So gang reflux is when you feel like you're throwing up. That is gang reflux. So when you're scraping, be careful. Okay, if you are sensitive to touch, be careful how you scrape, because when you're scraping your tongue, you might go deeper and you have a gang reflux. Gang reflux is when you have the feeling like you're throwing up. Okay, when you something like that, that's a gang reflux. So be careful how you scrape, but scraping is very important. So it removes all the stains in your tongue, removes the whitish stains on your tongue, remove all the bacteria stocks in your tongue. It removes it, because when you don't remove those dirty that stocks in your tongue, believe me, it inflames your teeth too. So those bacteria is not good. So you're gonna like wash your tongue with scraper. This is a stainless scraper. I bought this one online. This is a scraper too, but I like this stainless one because it's hard. I feel like it does the job very well, but my husband doesn't like the hard one. He likes this one. So you put it inside your mouth and scrape down there. So That's it. Oral hygiene is very important. We're gonna keep our mouth clean, our teeth clean, and our tongue clean. Okay, I will tell you, if you don't do that, dentist will do it for you and you will not like it. I remove one of my tooth and it's not a good thing, you know. The pain is, oh my goodness, horrible. And you do fillings, the cavity. If you don't do those things, if you don't take your oral hygiene serious, you start having cavities, you know. You start having cavities. You keep going to dentist for fillings, and you know, all this they will numb your teeth. The pain after having, I have two fillings. The pains, you know, after the numbing medication, when you get yourself back, you feel the pains. You will not eat for hours, sometimes days. You will not eat what you want, you know. The pains are not in this world. So I will advise parents, everyone should start doing oral hygiene. It's very, very important. And another thing I will advise parents is this: please take oral hygiene important. Oral hygiene for children is very, very good. Let them brush morning and night. Okay, if you can help, the dentist will recommend you help your children, especially those younger ones, to help brush their teeth once a day. Okay, whenever I go to the dentist, she always tell me I'm doing a great job, but you know, and she will recommend I brush their teeth myself in the night time, because you know, nighttime they already eat all the sugary stuff and everything. To help them in the night time instead of morning time. But it depends on you. If you're the type that have time in the morning, I prefer helping them in the morning, but dentists recommend you help them in the evening, yeah, in the night time. So but the whole thing is, make the dental hygiene be a routine in your family. Everyone should be able to brush morning and night and do floss too. Make sure you take them to dentist. If you are the type that always forgot to do the appointment, just tell the dentist to remind you the next appointment. Book the next appointment immediately. Tell them to remind you, or book the appointment when the kids are on holidays. Okay, book the appointment when the kids are on holidays. It matters a lot. Up to now, none of my kids has ever have any cavity. Okay, it's a plus to me. Okay, if you don't know it's an A plus, it's an A plus to me. I remember when I was younger, I removed one of my tooth. It's A plus to me. Okay, so do it as a mandatory thing. If you don't have teeth, you can't enjoy your food. You can't even enjoy the taste of your food. So that is the reason I come out to do this video. Thank you. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. I am begging, do so. God bless you. Bye.